Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your entertaining experience and keep your drinks cool, the Frigidaire EFIC103 Countertop Ice Maker with self-cleaning. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Frigidaire EFIC103? This countertop ice maker is designed for those who love having a steady supply of ice on hand, whether it's for parties, family gatherings, or just enjoying a cold beverage at home. This unit is particularly noteworthy for its ability to produce a whopping 26 pounds of clear ice cubes per day, making it an excellent choice for anyone who regularly needs ice. Let's talk features. One of the standout aspects of the EFIC103 is its large capacity. It has a reservoir located beneath the ice basket, which allows it to store up to 2.2 pounds of ice at any given time. This means you won't have to constantly refill it during your gatherings, giving you more time to enjoy the festivities. Another impressive feature is its efficiency. In less than 6 minutes, you can have perfectly squared ice cubes ready to go. The user-friendly electronic controls simplify the process, just a few buttons and you'll be making ice in no time. Plus, you have the option to choose between 2 different sizes of ice cubes, so whether you prefer small cubes for cocktails or larger ones for coolers, you're covered. The modern design of the Frigidaire EFIC103 also deserves a mention. Its sleek stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or bar setup, while the large transparent window allows you to monitor the ice-making process. No more guessing when your ice will be ready, you can simply watch it happen. In terms of functionality, this ice maker is equipped with a digital control panel that notifies you when the ice bin is full or when the water reservoir is empty. Once the ice is made, the light will flash, and the ice will conveniently fall into the provided ice bucket, ensuring that you're always prepared for whatever occasion comes your way. Another feature that sets the EFIC103 apart is its automatic self-cleaning program. To activate this, simply plug in the unit, press the on-off button for more than 5 seconds, and it begins its 30-minute cleaning cycle. This is particularly handy for those who want to maintain their appliance without the hassle of manual cleaning. Once the cycle is complete, just drain the water and give the inside a quick wipe down. Now, who is this ice maker suitable for? If you're someone who hosts parties frequently or just appreciates having ice on hand for beverages, this is a great addition to your home. It's perfect for families, home bars, and even for small businesses like cafes or food trucks where having ice readily available is essential. In practical use cases, imagine hosting a summer barbecue. With the Frigidaire EFIC103, you can create a constant flow of ice for drinks like iced tea, soda, or cocktails. If you're having guests over for game night, you can easily keep all your beverages chilled without having to make multiple trips to the freezer. And for those cozy movie nights, having a bucket of ice ready for your favorite snacks and drinks can elevate your experience significantly. In summary, the Frigidaire EFIC103 Countertop Ice Maker is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly option for anyone in need of a steady supply of ice. With its large capacity, quick ice-making time, and convenient features, it's sure to become a staple in your home or business. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.